Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play La Negra 3rd violin. As always, the sheet music is in the comments. Okay, so we're going to start with let's go over the notes. We have B, A, B, C natural, low 2, to D. One more time, nice and slow. Now this note D, we're going to play for 4 measures with a rhythm called a caballito rhythm. It's like a dotted rhythm but swung. Okay, so we're going to count 4 measures of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to the note F sharp on the E string. Again, 4 measures of caballito. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those caballitos we're gonna play in the middle to upper half is okay, not at the tip, more or less middle. And then the next notes, the short notes, we're gonna be at the frog. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now on that open D, I like to play open string with the 4th finger on the G string. Both of them together. So I can match the intonation and it makes it twice as loud. Next we're at letter A. We have the notes are B, A, B, C, C, D. One more time. Okay, now we're going to repeat this figure 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. We have C sharp to D, A to F sharp, A to C natural, B, A, B. Again, nice and slow. Then this figure repeats. Again. And right here is a little bit different. We have 3 quarter notes. Next. The notes are F sharp to E, D to E, F sharp to G, D, B, B. Again, nice and slow. Notice the bowing, we're slurring 2 and 2. Then separate. Alright, then after that we have the notes are G, A, B to C natural, C to D, B, G, G. Again, nice and slow. Notice the bowing again, we're slurring 2 and 2. Then separate. After that, it repeats a similar figure. Then again, similar. Right here is where it changes a little bit. We have So a little scale going down, D, C, B, A, G. We play G again. Then now F sharp all the way up to D. We play that C twice, C to D. Let's try it at measure 35, nice and slow. Ready, and. Then we have the chorus, and after that, we're at letter C. We have caballito again, 4 measures on the note D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right there, the notes are G, F sharp, G, A, B. Nice and slow. Okay, then after that, the notes are D, E, E to F sharp, B, A, F sharp, D, A, B. Just that part, nice and slow. One more time, notice the bowings. Okay, then after that, we have D, E, E to F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Again, just that little piece. Moving on, it's just the same that we already learned. Here, it's similar notes. What changes is the rhythm. Same notes, D, E, E to F sharp, F, G, A, B. Just the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1. And that last part, just like we already learned. Let's continue. We have B, D, B, D, C sharp, A, C sharp, B, G, B, A. Nice and slow. Next. Similar pattern, just a string lower. E, G, F sharp, D, F sharp, E, C, E, D. One more time, nice and slow. Okay, then continue, it's the same. Right there, it changes a little bit. So measure 77, we have. We already know this part. B, D, B, D. C sharp, A, C sharp, B. G, B. And here's the different part. The notes are A to F sharp, A to G, E, G, F sharp, D, F sharp, E, C, E, D. Let's try that nice and slow, measure 79. Ready, and... Notice the slurs, we're slurring 2 and 2. One more time, 79. Ready, and... Alright, now we're at letter D. Try to memorize the pattern of notes because the notes are going to be the same. What changes here is the rhythm. So the core notes we have C, G, F sharp, G. Try to just memorize those notes. Now with the little grace notes we have B to C, C to G, G to F sharp, F sharp to G. Okay, so here we have dotted half notes, 3 beats. We're going to want to use all of the bow. 2, 3, 2, 3. Then it repeats. Here, the same pattern of notes with a different rhythm. Try to listen to the armonía. It's like a 6/8 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeats. And then after that, again the same notes, now in a caballito rhythm. You have the coros, and then after that, you're at letter F. Notice, it's what we already learned. Now here at letter G, a different pattern of notes. All of the notes are going to stay the same. What changes is the rhythm. So the core notes, we have E, G, C, D, G, B, D, F sharp, A, B, D, F natural. And then it repeats the pattern of notes. So let's try that here at letter G, nice and slow. Repeat. Again, the same notes, now a different rhythm. We're going to do all down bows, short eighth notes. Notice right at letter G, we stay at the frog. Here in this next section, again at the frog. Same notes, now new section with new rhythm. Caballito rhythm. Make sure to give the last few notes value. Don't just cut off and throw away the end. The end is just as important as the beginning. Value, and right here at the frog. Vibrato, let it ring, and then you're done. And that's it. Now you know El Son de la Negra, third violin. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next one.